Hello, everyone, and welcome back to your trusted source for Social Security and senior benefit updates. If you've been waiting for news about stimulus payments and benefit increases, this October 3rd update has some important information you absolutely need to know about. The announcements coming this month could directly impact your monthly income. So let's dive right into what's happening with your Social Security retirement benefits, SSI, SSDI, VA benefits, and potential stimulus payments. This October marks a crucial time for American seniors as we approach several major announcements that could significantly affect your financial situation. The timing is particularly important because we're now experiencing the full effects of the 2025 cost of living adjustment that brought a 2.5% increase to more than 72.5 million Americans receiving Social Security benefits and supplemental security income payments. However, what's generating excitement this month are the discussions about additional stimulus payments and the upcoming announcement of the 2026 COLA increase, which early projections suggest could be even higher than this year's adjustment. The 2.5% cost of living adjustment, COLA, that began with benefits payable to nearly 68 million Social Security beneficiaries in January 2025 has already provided some relief to seniors dealing with rising costs. But here's what makes this October update so significant. The Social Security Administration will announce the 2026 cost of living adjustment, COLA, in October, and the preliminary forecasts are showing promising numbers. The latest forecasts put Social Security's 2026 COLA between 2.7% and 2.8%, which would amount to an extra $648 to $672 in benefit income for the average retired worker next year, according to updated projections from the Senior Citizens League. Social Security benefits are expected to increase by 2.7% next year. For those of you receiving Social Security retirement benefits, this potential increase represents more than just numbers on paper. It means real purchasing power to help cover rising costs of housing, healthcare, and daily necessities that have been stretching your fixed income. The average Social Security benefit currently sits at around $2,008 per month, so retirees can expect an additional $54 or more monthly if these projections hold true. This is particularly encouraging for seniors who have been concerned about keeping up with inflation after experiencing some of the most challenging economic conditions in recent years. The excitement around stimulus checks has also been building throughout 2025, with various proposals circulating in Congress and state legislatures. While there hasn't been a confirmed federal fourth stimulus check, several states have implemented their own relief programs specifically targeting seniors and those on fixed incomes. What's particularly interesting for Social Security, SSI, and SSDI recipients is that Social Security, SSI, SSDI, and VA beneficiaries will automatically receive the payment directly to their registered account or address whenever these payments are approved. This automatic distribution system means you won't need to take any special action or file additional paperwork to receive these benefits, which is a relief for many seniors who prefer straightforward processes. For those receiving supplemental security income, the October updates bring additional good news. Security income, SSI, beneficiaries will receive a 2.5% COLA for 2025, and the upcoming 2026 increase could provide even more substantial support. SSI recipients often face unique challenges because their benefits are typically lower than regular Social Security retirement benefits, making every increase more impactful. The program serves some of our most vulnerable seniors, including those with limited work histories or disabilities. So these cost of living adjustments can make a real difference in covering basic needs like food, shelter, and medical care. Veterans receiving VA benefits should pay special attention to this October update as well. VA disability compensation and pension benefits often follow similar timing patterns to Social Security announcements, and veterans frequently receive both VA benefits and Social Security, creating a compounding effect when increases are announced. The coordination between these programs means that many veterans could see increases across multiple benefit streams, providing more comprehensive support for their financial needs. If you're a veteran receiving both types of benefits, I encourage you to share your experiences in the comments below about how these increases have impacted your monthly budget and what you're hoping to see in the upcoming announcements. Medicare beneficiaries also have reasons to stay tuned this October, as Medicare Part B premiums and deductibles are typically announced around the same time as the Social Security COLA. The relationship between these announcements is crucial because Medicare premiums are automatically deducted from most Social Security benefits, meaning the net increase you receive depends on both the COLA percentage and any changes to Medicare costs. Understanding this interaction helps you plan more effectively for your healthcare expenses and overall budget for the coming year. One aspect that often gets overlooked but is incredibly important for seniors is the Social Security Fairness Act, which has been gaining momentum throughout 2025. These provisions reduced or eliminated the Social Security benefits for over 3.2 million people who receive a pension based on work that was not covered by Social Security, a non-covered pension, because they did not pay Social Security taxes. The Social Security Fairness Act ends WEP and GPO. This legislation could restore full Social Security benefits to teachers, firefighters, police officers, and other public servants who have been affected by the windfall elimination provision and government pension offset. If you're one of the millions affected by these provisions, this could represent a significant increase in your monthly benefits beyond just the regular COLA adjustment. The timing of these announcements also coincides with important deadlines and opportunities for seniors. October 15th is crucial for Social Security retirees with the new COLA update, as this date often marks when official announcements are made and when Medicare open enrollment begins. This gives you the opportunity to review your healthcare coverage options while having the most current information about your Social Security benefits for the upcoming year. It's an ideal time to reassess your overall financial picture and make any necessary adjustments to your budget or coverage selections. For those concerned about the accuracy of information circulating on social media and other platforms, it's essential to rely on official sources. The Social Security Administration, Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, and Department of Veterans Affairs all provide regular updates through their official websites and communications. While it's natural to be excited about potential increases and stimulus payments, always verify information through these trusted government sources before making any financial decisions or sharing information with friends and family. I want to acknowledge that many of you have been facing real financial hardships, especially with rising costs of groceries, prescription medications, and housing. These benefit increases, while helpful, might still feel insufficient when compared to the actual increases in living expenses you're experiencing daily. Your concerns are valid, and it's important that your voices are heard by policymakers. I encourage you to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to stay updated on all the latest developments. Also, please share in the comments how these benefit changes have affected your life and what additional support you believe seniors need during these challenging times. The process of receiving these increases is generally automatic, but there are some steps you can take to ensure everything goes smoothly. First, make sure your contact information is up to date with the Social Security Administration by logging into your My Social Security account online or calling their customer service number. If you receive benefits by direct deposit, verify that your banking information is current to avoid any delays. For those who receive paper checks, confirm that your mailing address is accurate, especially if you've moved recently or are planning to relocate for the winter months. Looking ahead, the economic factors that determine these cost of living adjustments continue to evolve. The Consumer Price Index for urban wage earners and clerical workers, which is used to calculate Social Security COLAs, reflects changes in the cost of goods and services that affect your daily life. While we can't predict exactly what future increases will be, the current economic indicators suggest that policymakers are paying attention to the financial pressures facing seniors and are working to provide meaningful support through these automatic adjustments. This October brings significant developments for American seniors, from the anticipated announcement of the 2026 Social Security COLA increase, which could reach 2.7 to 2.8%, to ongoing discussions about additional stimulus payments and the continued implementation of the Social Security Fairness Act. These changes could collectively represent hundreds of dollars in additional monthly income for many seniors, providing crucial support during these economically challenging times. Your next steps should include checking your My Social Security account to review your current benefit information, ensuring your contact and banking details are up to date, and staying informed about Medicare open enrollment opportunities that begin October 15th. If you're a veteran, also verify your information with the VA to ensure you receive any coordinated benefit increases. For those affected by the windfall elimination provision or government pension offset, consider contacting your representatives to express support for the Social Security Fairness Act. Remember, you're not alone in navigating these changes, and staying informed is your best tool for maximizing your benefits and financial security. Please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss important updates that could affect your monthly income. Share this video with other seniors in your community who need to know about these developments. And let me know in the comments how these potential increases would help you with your monthly expenses. Until our next update, take care of yourselves and keep advocating for the benefits you've earned through a lifetime of hard work.